What's up, everyone? Awesome to see you tuning in. In this hands-on video, 216 minus 216, which equals 0, times 216 minus 216 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 216 times 216 equals 46,656. So we have 216 minus 46,656 minus 216, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 216 minus 46,656, which equals minus 46,440. So we have minus 46,440 minus 216, which equals minus 46,656. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for weekly updates.